Ay, sinisipon ako. Ngayon, ito na yung aking niluto kanina. Ayan, nagbo-broiled na siya. So, tinimplahan ko na siya ng para pakapit yung lasa. Ayan. Ngayon, may kulang pa dito. Mangunguha ako ng dahon ng malunggay. Ayan. So, let's go and get some malunggay at the backyard. Kung may tanim pa or may bunga pa. Ay, bunga o dahon. Yan, meron. Saan si Jet? Ni Jet? Ay. Ito yung this is malunggay. Yan, lalagay natin doon. Ay, meron dyan? Okay, ayan, meron pa pala doon. Muha si Mr. na kuan. Ito ang aking inayos kanina na kuan ko, halaman. Ngayon ay okay na, hindi na siya madamo. Tapos ito ay binawasan ko ng branches para siya ng more branch. Tapos ayan na yung aking natanggal. Yeah. Okay. So, easy lang. Ito yung aking orchids na tinisting ko na itanim dito sa lupa. And you see the outcome. Buhay na siya. At saka ito yung aking seedlings na ano tawag dito? Alachuchi or desert rose. Ayan sila oh. Yan. Hello! Bear fruits! Yan. At saka itong orchids, pwede rin pala sa lupa. Kasi ngayon dry ang weather. So, can be here in the soil. Yeah, can be here in the soil. This one, see? Yeah, this is my experiment that you can plant it in the soil. Yeah, this one, you see? It's, it means that it's already alive, the one that I cut. So this is my rubber tree, and I have to remove this one. See, I have to remove this one. And this is the ginger. If you don't know what is the look of, yeah, of the ginger, this one. This is the ginger. My ginger. There is some. Oh, yeah, see. Meron na siyang bunga. May bunga na siya. Ayan. Hindi na ako bibili ng ginger. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Ayun siya. Oo. Ayan. Tapos nagtanim. Ito yung pandan. And then, again, see nilaman na siya. Then, my pinya, the one I eat, and I cut what's that one? The pinya, and I plant it here. So you see, big already. And this is the chili, the pepper. See, it's not cheaper. See, just grown in here. And I'm planting, replant this one. And I don't know what's this then. I think this is what do you call this? It's like, is that lemon? Yeah, it's good if it is lemon. So this one I have to water this because it is that it's dry. See now? Yeah. And this is it. Ayan siya. May bunga na siya. Kaya, ayan. No problem for the ginger. You can use it if you cook something that needs ginger. So, this is all. And this is all. And, it takes how many minutes? Okay. So, this one now is the malunggay. Okay. Yeah, it is washed already. Thank you so much. So, this is it. Bye.